back to my channel. This is Lakeisha. Today I'm going to be making some homemade buttermilk biscuits. So I have everything laid out. I have my silicone mat all laid out for me to prep my biscuits with. I have some cold shredded butter. I have self-rising flour, and I have buttermilk, and I have some flour on the side, so when I start rolling I can be able to do that. So let's get started. Okay, first I'm gonna measure out 1 cup of flour, and then if I need more I'm gonna add more. I think I'm gonna do 2 cups though. That's 1 cup. And that's 2 cups. I'm gonna use a 1/2 cup of buttermilk to start. And I have my butter, and this is a 1/2 cup of cold shredded butter. And you want everything cold, to be nice and cold, besides the flour. And it's only 3 ingredients, like I said. It's the self-rising flour, the buttermilk, and the butter. So now I'm going to fold in everything in. You want to give a light folding, nothing too much. You want to make sure everything is coming together. I'm going to add another cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup. Let's see. I'm going to fold gently. Now I tried this recipe out the other day and my biscuits came out good, so I decided to make a video on it. And I had a special request for this video, and it's one of my sisters. So one of my big sisters. I call her my big sister. So Monique, this is for you. And also Shayna, this for you. And my niece Cookie, this for you too. So you want to get everything folded in together. I'm just going to take my hand and make sure everything is together. And I have on gloves so it won't get too messy. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour, so as I fold. Okay guys, as you can see, I took my dough out of the bowl and I placed it on the silicone mat, and I put a little bit of flour on the silicone mat so I can be able to roll easy. And I took my gloves off because I'm gonna get messy with this, so it'll be easier for me. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour on the top, so as I knead the dough, it'll be easy for me. So what you want to do is just roll it back and forth. We don't want to knead it too much, but we want to make sure that we get everything incorporated. And I'm going to use my rolling pin too also. And as I knead, I'm going to be folding, so it'll be making like layers in the dough. So as you bake, and then once you open it, you can see the layers of the dough. Okay. Okay, let me get the rolling pin, and then I'm going to start rolling. Oh, let me flour first. Then I'm going to fold. As you see, I'm gonna be making layers as I do that. And if you guys are biscuit makers, let me know in the comments how do you like to make your biscuits. This is my second time trying. I think I got the hang of it. I like to learn new things. And I can just perfect it as I go. Alright, I'm going to fold one more time. This will be the last time. Then I'm going to roll it out. Okay guys, the first time I made them, I made the biscuits in my air fryer, but today I'm going to use my cast iron pan. So I have my greased buttered cast iron pan. So when I cut my biscuits, I'm going to place them in there. So I have like a cookie cutter. So this is how I'm going to be making my biscuits. So I'm going to press it down. Okay, and as it come up, it should look just like this. I'm gonna place it right in the cast iron oven. Cast iron pan. And you can also use a sheet pan or your air fryer, whatever's best for you. You want to place them close together so when they bake, they'll rise up. So I'm going to continue doing that. sprinkle flour. Keep rolling. Okay, you guys, I have my biscuits in the oven now, and they're set at 350. I'm gonna let them bake for at least 10 to 18 minutes. We'll see. We'll just check on them, and I'll come back and show you. Okay, guys, my biscuits are ready, and this is how it came out. So we have buttermilk biscuits. And some of them came out, let's see, these came out a little flat right here, but here are the other ones. So I'm going to baste them with a little bit of melted butter. I have some melted butter right here, so I'm just going to baste the top of it, give it a shine. Then I'm going to open one for you guys. I don't know which way I like it so far. Air fryer or in the cast iron. I'll see how they taste. But I'm in the biscuit making mood now. Alright. Now I'm going to open one up. Let's see, let's pick this one. Let me get a look at the bottom too. It's all brown. Ooh, they look nice. Fresh hot biscuits. I'm gonna put me a little bit of butter in the middle of it. Sprinkle it like that. You guys can't see my face today, but here you go. So good. Nice and fluffy. Look at the layers. You see it? So good. Okay, you guys, if you have these ingredients at home, it's Thanksgiving time. You can make you some homemade biscuits for breakfast or for dinner. Just get in the creative mood and try something new. I tried something new and it worked out for me. So I hope you guys like this recipe for today. I'm going to leave a clip of my air fryer biscuits too, so you can see that at the end. So thank you again, and I hope you guys have a blessed Thanksgiving. Peace out. Blessings to you.